set, go. You gotta do headbanging. Like Nikki. Alright, you gotta dance more. Do crazy dances. You're supposed to be dancing, not eating hair.
Do this.
You want to do another song?
Yeah.
How about... You gotta dance. Don't make that face. It's weird. Supposed to dance. Hey, you want to do a rave?
Yeah.
Go over to the light, Nick. Kenzie, you stay there. Stay there. Flip it on and off. No, the light. Play with the light. Turn the light on and off. Really fast. Kenzie, dance. Alright, Kenzie. Now you go and do it. Nick, dance. The other one. You gotta dance better. Come on. Dance. Alright, that's enough, Ken. Ken. Turn the light on.
Ken, watch this. You do it.
You're cooling. No, you don't dance like that. Alright, now we're going to do another one that's really awesome. Starts out all nice and cute. Try not to break yourself.
I played with the carbonate fell with my boy.
Alright, dance. The hardcore dance. McCollin, stop doing that. Yeah, dance like Kenzie.